Today I'm going to show you how to work with those pesky STL files that are not rectilinear. No corners, no flat surfaces. So you might have something that looks a little bit like this. Maybe it's a door handle, something like that. Rounded geometries like this are often best converted using mesh section sketches under Create. After placing a cutting plane, you'll have what looks like a sketch, but you'll need to fit curves to that mesh section using the command for it in the sketch menu. This will create circles, ellipses, or splines, which approximate the mesh section. You'll need to repeat both of these steps for multiple sections of your mesh. These multiple sketches will allow you to rebuild your part as a real CAD file. The sketches may even be dimensioned, holding tolerances when necessary. From here, you can use the sketches in a normal fashion, in this case, a loft, to create a body. With a little cleanup of the loft settings and a mirror, you'll get a nice looking model suitable for all CAD CAM operations. Here are some other videos on the subject. As always, good luck.